Let me show you how to take my Noah's Ark salsa recipe and make it into a very easy and addicting guacamole. So let's fix it. All right, quick and easy recipe here. I'm going to start off by doing the avocados. So slice it in half around the pit. Give it a little twist to pop it open. Take the knife, smack the pit, and then it pops right out like that. I should also add that you give the knife just a little twist once it's embedded in the pit, and the pit should pop right out. So how do you do your avocados? Let me know in the comments. Then I'm going to take a spoon and scoop it out right into my bowl. There, put the bowl up here so you can see what's going on a little bit. Be careful on this one. See, there's a bad spot right at the top, so I'm just going to scoop around that. Well, I don't know what it is, but there's something truly satisfying about popping out the pits and scooping out the flesh of avocados. Now, the way I like to break down these avocados is by using a pastry knife of all things. Just get in there and kind of mash them a little bit. I know there are a lot of different ways to do this. Going to start out by adding about half a teaspoon of salt. It's about that much right there. And I want to get a lime ready. This is going to be to taste, so I'm getting my lime ready, but I'm probably not going to add all of it in the beginning, maybe half, and then just see how it is. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. All right, now I'm going to add some of my salsa into the avocado. And I'm going to start off with maybe a half a cup or so just to see how it is, and then mix it in and go from there. That microphone sure picks up the sound of the salsa and guacamole smacking around in there. Well, you get a truly immersive experience here. All right, give it a little taste. Okay, it's already really good. Add maybe another quarter cup or so, probably less than a quarter cup, maybe an eighth of a cup. And when you're doing this yourself, just add it bit by bit, because like I say, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. So you'll notice that I taste test a lot, and my goal is to make the best guacamole that I can, and hopefully maybe even one that Gru would approve of.
I'm just chilling with the guac from my chip hat.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. Just add a little bit more. Maybe another eighth of a cup or so. Okay, already that's pretty good. So I'm gonna put in some red onion. It adds some flavor and also delivers some crunch. Okay, full disclosure, I'm not the most talented onion chopper in the world. I haven't taken a bunch of classes, and it's not really camera pretty, but it does the job. I guess I'm just not willing to put in the work. But I bet I could use technology to make it look better. Let's see, fast forward. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is sweet. So if your reaction right now is, oh, look at him, he's manhandling the onions, that's gross. Well, don't worry. I've washed my hands several times by this point. They are plenty clean. All right, so now we'll do a taste and see where we're at. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Just gonna add a little bit of lime. Not too much, maybe about half of what I have here. All right, so now we're getting to the serious tasting, so I want to get a chip and see how that is. Oh yeah, that's really good. So the combination of the heat from the peppers and the tang from the lime and a nice little crunch from the red onion, it all balances out to really nice flavor. So once you make that Noah's Ark salsa, it's very easy to make addictive guacamole. As you can see, it just takes a few minutes. I hope you try this at home, enjoy, and thanks for watching.